And congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you for taking the time to call. I didn't know you do it.
Yes, I do.
You got a lot of students, so you're going to be doing a lot of calls.
I know, right? Every student that's had an offer, I personally called. Yes. So tell me, first of all, I'm seeing, hold on, from $12 to $70K.
Yes. That's why I started crying. I didn't even think I would start crying. I was like, I wanted to tell you that part, but yeah, it's just like, oh my God, I barely could get through the message. So yeah, that's pretty much Jennifer. I've never made more than $12 an hour. And I'll tell you my age, 44 years old. 40, I'm older than you.
Look, let me tell you. Well, get ready to keep coming up.
Yeah, I know this is just the beginning.
That's